Hey everyone, Broker Bill back with you for another week of Babble. And this time we're talking about more than just four walls and a roof. We're talking about your lifestyle. When you're considering retirement, especially here in beautiful Delaware, it's just not about finding the right house. It's about finding the right fit for how you want to live your next exciting chapter. Delaware truly offers a kaleidoscope of possibilities for retirees. Whether you're an avid golfer, a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or someone looking to finally pick up that new hobby, we've seen a surge in people choosing the first state because it caters to such a wide range of interests. For instance, if you love the outdoors, Delaware is a paradise. Our state parks offer incredible value with annual passes that are very affordable for seniors, allowing you to enjoy endless days of hiking at Cape and Lopin, birdwatching at Prime Hook, or kayaking on the Broadkill River. Many of these parks even have paid pass, making them accessible for variety activity levels. And for the golfers, you'll find fantastic courses like the Rookery in Milton or American Classic in Lewes, many of which host senior leagues where you can easily find playing partners and new friends. Perhaps you're looking for vibrant social engagement. Delaware's active adult communities are constantly expanding, with new phases opening up in places like Cahav's Four Seasons at Scenic Harbor in Lewes, or the park at Folkestone in Wilmington. These communities are designed with resort-style amenities. Think clubhouses, fitness centers, swimming pools, and increasingly pickleball courts, becoming hubs of activity and connection. You'll find countless opportunities for clubs, classes, and social gatherings, ensuring there's always something stimulating to do. And for those who cherish history and culture, Delaware is packed with it. From the historic streets of Old Newcastle to the maritime museums in Lewes, there are endless opportunities to explore. Consider volunteering at a local historical society or museum. It's a fantastic way to give back, meet new people, and delve deeper into the rich heritage of our state. Many organizations like the Village in eastern Sussex County also connect retirees with volunteer opportunities to support their community and help them stay active. The point is, your retirement home in Delaware is more than just property. It's your launchpad to a life filled with purpose, passion, and connection. When we discuss your real estate needs, we're also talking about your ideal lifestyle. What do your perfect days look like? What activities do you dream of pursuing? Understanding these elements is just as important as the number of bedrooms or bathrooms. So, as you envision your next chapter, think about the life you want to lead. Delaware has the homes, the communities, and the activities to match almost any interest. Let's talk about how we can help you find not just a house, but the perfect lifestyle you've worked so hard for. Thanks for tuning in to Broker Bill's Babble, and have a wonderful week and enjoy finding your perfect fit. Until next week, peace out. Talk later.